Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Legal provisions of auction sale. According to Section 64 of Sales of Goods Act, the following rules apply for sale by auction. Goods put up for sale in lots. Where goods are put up for sale in lots, each lot is prima facie deemed to be subject of a separate contract of sale. Time of completion of auction sale. The auction sale starts with placing of bids. A valid contract is formed immediately on acceptance of a bid by the auctioneer. Withdrawal of bid. Every bid constitutes only an offer to buy. A bid can be withdrawn before it is accepted by the auctioneer, akin to revocation of offer. If before the fall of the hammer any bidder revokes his bids, this security amount may not be forfeited. Example: at an auction sale, one of the conditions of sale was bids once made shall not be withdrawn. C made the highest bid for an article of P, but he withdrew his bid before the fall of the hammer. P contended that there was a completed sale and C was bound by it. Held C's bid was an offer and it could be revoked before the fall of the hammer, even though there was a rule to the contrary. Transfer of ownership. If the auction is of specific good in a deliverable state, the ownership is transferred to buyer immediately on acceptance of bid. If the goods are not specific goods or goods are not in deliverable state, the ownership of goods shall pass to the buyer when the goods are ascertained or made in deliverable state. Implied warranties in auction. In a sale by auction, there is an implied warranty that the auctioneer has authority to sell and he guarantees quiet possession of the goods by the buyer. He is not aware of any defect in the title of the principal, if any. He undertakes to transfer the possession of goods sold by auction against payment made by the highest bidder. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.